Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good, and today I'm going to do a very fun and interesting challenge, that is 24 hours in the kitchen. So this was suggested to me by a subscriber of mine, Aishani. So Aishani, if you're watching this, thank you for suggesting me this video. And yeah, today is the night before the challenge, so I will directly meet you tomorrow when I start the challenge. So yeah, see you tomorrow.
The next morning.
So guys, it is 2 o'clock. I started this at 2 o'clock. Now it is 2:02, as you can see. So yeah, we have started this challenge and I'll keep you updated. My cousin is going to come, and yes, we will have fun over here. And that song playing in the background is my neighbor. I think he's singing the song. I'm excited for this challenge but also tired because it took me 2 hours to set all this up, and yes, to get all the stuff, fruits, vegetables and everything. So I'm going to take a little rest and then catch you back. So yeah, see you. So this is how the kitchen looks right now. There's a speaker which we are going to use, and this is my bed, and this is something that I've made. Some decoration, my purse and my stuff, my bag, my makeup and my stand. And these are some fruits which I just bought, and I have stuffed the fridge with things, all healthy things. And yes, this is it about the kitchen. So I'm making fruit salad.
So we have grapes here, pomegranate, green apple, strawberries, apple and chiku, and I also have dahi. So we have dahi.
Also guys, I had to come to this place because in my kitchen I wouldn't have been able to do this challenge. So I had to come to this place to do this living in the kitchen for 24 hours. So I had to buy all these things to eat. So I went to the shop. Also I had to pack everything, my clothes and everything that I'll be needing. And yeah, it took me so long and I got so tired, but it's okay. We are gonna have this and then sleep. Guys, finally I have cut all the fruits and I'm just waiting for my cousin to come, and then we are going to mix this in dahi and have it. Also my neighbors
Oh no!
My neighbors are washing utensils, so you will be able to hear that. And also I will meet you now when my cousin comes. So guys, guess who's here with me?
Hi guys!
Ajinkya! You must have seen her in the birthday vlog, and she's going to spend the night with me and we are going to enjoy! So guys, Ajinkya is practicing for her first reel. So I'm going to show you the exclusive behind the scenes of the first reel. Enjoy! Exclusive reel footage in the kitchen. So guys, Ajinkya is doing her Zumba. Till then I was taking a nap. I'm taking a nap now, and once she's done, she will come inside and then we might do something. I don't know what we are going to do, but yeah, now I'm taking a nap.
Later that same evening.
So I'm making coffee for me, and Ajinkya is still doing Zumba. I'm waiting for her. My coffee is ready.
कैसे रंग सी है, उड़ती उतरती पतंग सी है। मैं कल की बाहों में हूँ बसा, ये वक्त भी मुझे भुला गया।
Okay guys, so it is 2:27 and finally we are sleeping now. Ajinkya already slept, as you can see. So yeah, I'll catch you back tomorrow then. Good night.
The next morning.
So guys, finally we are up now. It is 11 o'clock and we have a few more hours to spend over here, and Ajinkya is over here with me. We had a long night and then we slept around 2:30. So yeah, we got up now. So now I will make the breakfast and then I'll catch you.
तुम्हारी ख्वाबों में है बसी वो हसीन मूर्ति प्यार की जिंदगी।
Yeah. Okay guys, I have changed now and it is around 1:43 and we have just come over here. So we just finished filming one video for you which will come up on some Monday. So yeah, so I loved shooting in front of this background. And how did you like my background?
I love it too.
And yes, so we have just 17 more minutes and then we will be out of this kitchen. So yeah, I'll see you there. So guys, we were just making some reels. I'll put them somewhere over here. And it is already 2:13 and my living in the kitchen for 24 hours challenge is over. How did you feel staying with me?
Very good.
And we were just utilizing this setup for now and making some reels. So yeah.
लगी मुझको तेरी बीमारी, इस बेढंगी दुनिया के संगी हम न होते यारा, अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे। कर बेरंगी शामें हुड़दंगी मस्त मलंगी यारा, अपनी तो यारी अतरंगी है रे, अतरंगी रे।
Setup. Look at the mess. Hi neighbors. So guys, I'm finally going out of the kitchen. See, I'm out. So now I'm packing everything because we have to go. I'll end this vlog over here, and if you like this video then please give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys, see ya.